Introducing AI-assisted recipe generation in marketgoo domain intelligence. Creating powerful segments just got way easier. We revamped the recipe section to help you take action on your database instantly, without needing to know every filter, property, or use case. Just type what you want to find, and MDI's AI assistant will create a custom recipe for you, based on your goals and dataset. You can also get help from AI to further refine the recipe. Not sure what to ask? No problem. We'll suggest ideas based on your user profile and your database. These aren't generic templates. Each recipe is tailored to help you launch a campaign, spot opportunities, or act on risks, right from day one. Recipes are quick to generate. You don't even need to pin them or keep them forever if you don't want to. Just create them, take action on them, and move on. This new recipes experience puts AI to work, turning your goals into actionable insights in seconds. No guesswork, no friction, just clear opportunities you can act on. Follow us for more updates and tips on how to get the most out of marketgoo domain intelligence.